Since you're watching this, chances are you're serious about trading. You put in the hours, you've watched the videos, read threads, tested indicators, and yet you still find yourself taking trades you shouldn't take, missing opportunities, letting emotions influence decisions. Trading isn't just a battle against the market. It's a battle against uncertainty, fear, greed, impatience, and self-doubt. The traders who consistently succeed aren't necessarily smarter. They've simply developed a better process for making decisions and managing risk. Premium Plus was built to help you develop that process. It combines powerful trading tools, institutional-grade market intelligence, ongoing education, and access to an exclusive private community of traders committed to continuous improvement. FireCharts reveals the liquidity and order flow shaping price action. Trend precognition helps identify momentum shifts before they become obvious. MTF mean reversion helps uncover high-probability opportunities when price reaches statistically significant extremes. Timescape Levels automatically identifies hidden support and resistance levels across all time frames. The MI dashboard provides broader market context through institutional-grade metrics that help you better understand risk, sentiment, volatility, capital flows, and broader market conditions. But the real value in Premium Plus isn't found in any single tool. It's found in the entire ecosystem and the process you build around it. Through ongoing education, exclusive market briefings, and a private community where traders share ideas, insights, and observations, you'll continue developing the skills needed to become more disciplined and data-driven. Because no indicator can replace experience, no signal can replace discipline, and no shortcut can replace the confidence that comes from understanding what you're doing and why you're doing it. The goal isn't to find more trades. The goal is to become a trader who consistently makes better decisions. Whether you're actively trading, swing trading, or strategically building long-term positions, Premium Plus gives you the tools, education, and context to approach the market with greater discipline and confidence. And because we believe the best way to evaluate Premium Plus is to experience it yourself, every subscription is backed by our 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee. Stop searching for shortcuts. Start building an edge. See more. Trade smarter. Gain the clarity to see what's happening, the context to understand why, and the confidence to act with discipline. Become the trader you've always wanted to be. With Material Indicators Premium Plus. Get access now.